Deep in the forest, hidden beneath rust and vines, an abandoned tank has been forgotten for decades. Once a powerful war machine, it now stands silent, slowly reclaimed by nature, but the restoration begins layer by layer. Dirt, plants, and rust are removed. The tank is carefully dismantled, revealing the worn metal beneath years of corrosion. Grinding, welding, and repairs bring the structure back to life. What once looked beyond saving slowly transforms. A fresh coat of military paint gives the machine a new identity. Piece by piece, the tracks, turret, and components are reassembled. Finally, the engine roars again. The restored tank rolls across the battlefield, proving that even the most forgotten machines can rise again from rust to power.